Stevia, or more accurately, steviol glycosides, are a family of natural sweeteners obtained from the stevia plant.
But at the moment, stevia is only allowed in 2 countries in Europe. So only in France and in Switzerland. In Switzerland, it was the first country to allow it back in 2008. And it followed like a decision in the US to allow the stevia extract as well. So in Switzerland, you have to submit your product with what type of stevia extract you're going to use, and then you have the authorization or not. In France, it's a bit different. It's only been allowed since September 2009, and the law has been consolidated only very recently in January 2010. And you can only use one type of steviol extract, which is ribosylidine A, which everybody calls Reb A because it's more simpler.
Very recently, the European Food Safety Authority gave a positive opinion on the safety of Reb A, and this has led to the belief that within 12 months the EU will give full regulatory approval of stevia, and as a result of this there's a lot of current NPD activity in the whole area. Perhaps surprisingly, we believe that the approval of stevia won't significantly affect the current high-intensity sweeteners market. And this is due to a combination of price and also the taste of stevia, where it has a slightly bitter aftertaste. And also we've seen now that companies aren't willing to risk their current brands by replacing the high-intensity sweeteners with stevia. And instead what they're doing is launching new products. So it will be additional, I think, to the high-intensity sweetener market.
In France, the giant Coca-Cola company launched in January 2010 Fantastil, which contains stevia. So it was quite the normal move because they already launched their product was containing stevia in their soft drink product in the US. So that's the first thing they did in France as soon as the authorization went through. PepsiCo should follow very soon using an extract of stevia called pure stevia, which is also available for sale in France as a natural sweetener that you can put in your coffee or in your yogurt or something. Also in soft drinks, not just Coca-Cola and PepsiCo, but also Nestle Waters and Danone, especially in flavor bottled water. In flavor bottled water, it's a category that's been doing not so well because of the whole bad health image sometimes has been associated either by using artificial sweetener or by using sugar. So there is really a potential here. People are really looking for more natural product and for little help in their everyday diet. And you can really see that, for example, in Purevia, which is available on sale in France at the moment, which is not artificial, a natural sweetener to add in your coffee or your yogurt. You have this little leaf and you have this green color code which shows how natural it is and plant-based. The other thing is that in France, obesity and overweight population is growing. It's almost 40% and it's still going to grow over the 5 next year. So it's very important. And the government is really trying to addressing that. There is this huge health and wellness trend where people are trying to be more careful about their weight. So the whole better for you reduced sugar industry is really booming in France, especially for soft drinks. For soft drinks, the reducing sugar soft drinks are the big factor behind the growth.
We believe the growth prospects for stevia are very good, and we know that the stevia producers and manufacturing companies are working very closely with flavour houses to improve the taste profile of stevia and to develop flavour systems that mask the bitter aftertaste.
So the next big player to use stevia extracts will certainly be Danone, Nestle Waters, Unilever, Dairy Crest, all those big players in packaged food and also in soft drinks.